Good evening, this is BNN News. I'm Chris Lovett. Our top story, new gains for early education. In his new budget, Mayor Walsh plans to spend $15 million for 750 pre-kindergarten seats in the Boston Public Schools and community agencies. It's part of a plan to provide quality pre-kindergarten for all 4-year-olds in Boston within 5 years. All teachers in the program would have to be given a degree in early childhood education and receive the same pay as BPS teachers.
When they get behind early, in the early years before they get to kindergarten, then there's so much catch up. I mean, they're not doomed, but there's so much catch up to do that they can't stay up with their peers. So when they're in first grade and third grade and ninth grade, the effects of a low quality early learning shows up later on in life.
Where we see children falling behind and off pace early, it is harder and harder to make that up. So we've got to get everybody to the starting line at the same point, but really get them the individualized supports that they need at early ages as well. We think that if we can deliver kindergarten readiness on an equitable and equal basis across the city, we will see transformative results throughout children's lives.
It is our mission to meet students where they are, regardless of whether they have any type of disability, whether they're English learners new to this country, whether their families are struggling with poverty or face other kinds of obstacles. And as we work tirelessly to close opportunity and achievement gaps and shape the minds of young people to be inclusive and accepting of one another, it is so important that we start that young.
What we're doing today creates an opportunity for every child to not only be academically ready for their experience going into kindergarten, but it streamlines communications for families and ensures that comprehensive services like health and vision and nutrition transition with the child from one experience to the next, and it allows them to know what to expect as they're maybe moving into our K-2 programs.